Hello everyone, welcome to Chart Art Forex channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to use option expiration in Forex trading. If we look at this table, we can see that every day a number of these types of transaction expire at 10 o'clock New York time or 15 GMT time. We can access this table through the forexlive.com website, More tab, and Forex options. We should look for options that are higher than 1 billion. For example, here is an option in EUR/USD on Wednesday, where 506 million euro expire in the range between 1.0950 and 1.1010. There is no exact scientific way to trade option because we don't know the number of buyers or sellers at these levels. Well, here we have an option expiration between 1.0950 and 1.1010, which is supposed to expire at 10 o'clock New York time. It's not possible to say exactly what will happen in this region, but we can consider the behavior of the price in this zone. These levels act as a defensive barrier. In fact, these levels are like a magnet. Sometimes they attract and sometimes repel. We use this range as a stop loss and target option because there is a wire between buyer and seller. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe me.